Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you change your Etsy shop banner. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up Etsy. So log into your account once you're on your Etsy. So once you've logged in, so what you're going to do, you're going to go to your shop manager, which is this option here. So on your top right, click on shop manager. Once you're on your shop manager here on this page here, what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down under sales channels. You're going to open up your you click on your channel. I mean, especially click on that pencil button so that we can edit your shop. So you're going to get into your shop. So click on the edit option and that's your shop. So this is my shop now. So okay, so that's the banner here. So this is my current banner. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change this banner. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit on this pencil icon here. So click on it. All right, so if I click on it, so what I can do, I can I can click on this to change layout. All right, so if I want a small banner, big banner, or none, I can just choose that. All right, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on done, and then I'm going to click on add image. All right, so I'm going to choose an image, for example, uh, probably this one here. I want to use that. Click on open. All right, so I'm just waiting it to load. So this will load up the new banner that I want to replace. So this one here. All right, so there you go. So that's my new banner here. So I'm gonna, this is fine now. So what I'm have to do now is hit on save, and that should replace my banner. So that's it. So if I save it, there you go. So that's done. I've changed my Etsy shop banner. That's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.